Okay. Okay, yung mga judges natin for today, Judge Rosalie, ayan. Judge Dennis. Judge Glenda. And of course, Judge. Ang ating Tita Dalia. Okay. Thank you so much for gracing our event today. Wala ka nag-usap-usap sila. Okay. Ready, players? Ready? Hep, hep! Hep, hep! 3, 2, go! Magulong na sila, Activas! Medalya! Magulong na si Ate Pokwa! Ingatan niyo magpapahal sa chopstick para hindi matamaan yung marshmallow. Kaya mo ba to? Check it out! Ayusin mo isa.
Sayaw.
Do you have any comment, mga judges? Very good.
Sa pibig.
Walang kinalaman sa
Magaling.